Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Students, today we are learn about the concept of grouping. When we put similar objects in one place, it becomes a group. So students, page number 46 पर देखिए, the concept of grouping, two or more things make a group together. जब हम एक या एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को एक ग्रुप में मजमूई तौर पर शामिल करते हैं तो ये ग्रुप बन जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ग्रुप ऑफ टोमेटोज, ग्रुप ऑफ कपकेक्स, ग्रुप ऑफ गिफ्ट्स. नाउ इट्स अ टाइम एक्टिविटी. Circle the groups from given things. Look carefully at these pictures. We have egg, cupcakes, box and balloons in these pictures. Now circle the group that have the same things together, like egg, cupcakes and balloons, because two or more things make a group. So eggs is 3 and cupcake is 6. So circle the cupcakes and balloons and egg. Excellent. Student, you did all the great job.